Hey, good morning. Thank you everyone who is joining us in campus here at Moreton Bay, University of the Sunshine Coast. And of course, to our friends who are joining us online, we're very excited to have you here today, especially in recognition of United Nations International Day of the Older Person, which is of course today, 1st of October. We have a really fantastic program for you today with this collaborative event between the Australian Association of Gerontology and the Gerontological Alliance of Nurses Australia. So before we begin, I would like first to acknowledge the traditional owners of the lands that we are meeting on today. And so UniSC Moreton Bay campus is on the Gubbi Gubbi and Cubbi Cubbi lands. And I would like to acknowledge that these have always been places of teaching and learning. And I think it's especially lovely for us to bring together everyone around the country. Having a look at our attendance list this morning, we have people from all sorts of parts across this big brown land of ours. And so thank you, to our traditional custodians around the country for their ongoing custodianship and care of this country. So my name is Chris Tulloch. I'm the chair of the Queensland division of the Australian Association of Gerontology. So I'm absolutely delighted to have our presentations here and would like to introduce Dr Emily Moir to start us off.
Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let me just get the lapel mic sorted. First off, I wanted to start off this presentation with a big round of thanks. You would think, organising a 90-minute research seminar would be something quite simple, but there was a lot of behind-the-scenes work. So particularly I want to thank from UniSC's Healthy Ageing Research Cluster, Professor Vicky Traynor. She was sort of the brains behind this idea. And I would also like to thank HDR candidate JC. So she has been our behind the scenes guru, filling in all the forms, doing all the admin work. So thank you so much for that, JC. I also want to say at UniSC, this has been sort of co-supported by the School of Health and the School of Law and Society. And also a massive thanks to AAG and GANA. It is a real privilege to be able to present with the support of these wonderful organisations, particularly Vanessa from GANA for supporting the event. And also thank you so much for our IT guru, Matt, who has done a couple of practice runs to make sure all the tech is working. So thank you so much for that.